So good day and welcome back to my channel MTN Possibilities. In today's video I want to take you along as
Okay, hello guys, how are you today? Today I'm unboxing my Starlink kit. So I've been using the Tail 1 router for quite some time, but today I'm going to change it to, I'm going to use the Starlink. So I will talk about the difference between the Tail 1 router and the Starlink. The Tail 1 router uses the telephone lines. So the lines goes from outside, then it's connected in the router. So the network of the Tail 1 router is slow. That is why I've chose to use the Starlink, because the network is fast, because the Starlink uses the satellite. Today I'm unboxing my Starlink kit. For now we're unboxing our Starlink kit.
we've been helping some people to buy Starlink, especially the young ones in Zimbabwe. You know, there are a lot of opportunities that come with our fast internet. And we upon ourselves to help the young ones to actually get these kits while they are on credit. Remember, I talked about the credit scheme in my other video. If you haven't watched it, please do go and watch it. So we gave this young girl the privilege of actually unboxing her own kit, and in the process giving her the idea of starting her own YouTube channel here in Zimbabwe that some young people like her can relate to. And so she's unboxing her kit and we're going to help her install it for her, after which she can start using it together with her family. So these are some of the business ideas that can come with possession of his Starlink, especially here in Zimbabwe. I always say that it makes us at par with most of our counterparts around the world. The problem that we've been facing mostly as content creators or people in Zimbabwe in general, especially the young ones, they love working online. They know what to do online, but they are limited because of the cost of data, because of the unavailability of such services such as Starlink. But Starlink has changed everything. So please go and watch her channel. I'll put a link down below to the channel that she has just opened, and please support her, subscribe to her channel, and also watch her videos so that she reaches the 1,000 subscribers threshold, and also the time that is needed for one to actually get monetized on YouTube. So now this is the way it has been set up. It's on top of the house. This is an area in Nkulumane in Bulawayo. And so this, like I said, in urban areas, the disadvantage is you have to be high up there so that you don't have problems with the obstructions from other houses. So now we're just making sure that everything is correctly aligned, because it was misaligned. So we were readjusting it for them. This is it in.
akhona amanye aseleyo la. So then I put my share developer mina yimi la uthola i-33%, then i-artist elalidwebile ama-NFT akhona ngithola in 33%. Then enye 33% iyahamba yebhena ama-coins enye project kuthiwa yi-tool ukwenzela ukuthi. So after that babesebehaya ukuthi
Now, other than starting a YouTube channel, what other possibilities are there for the young generation once they get their first internet and you've got a phone, a smartphone, or a laptop, or a computer? So now we're just discussing other ways. And this young man here, he is also doing his online business. What he does, he is a programmer, he's a software developer. So those are the things that you can do when you get your Starlink. And this you can do all online. You can start learning online. There are so many programs that are there on YouTube that teaches you how to become a software developer, and you can succeed in that. This guy, is willing to actually mentor some of the young ones here in Zimbabwe, in Bulawayo, and in fact all around the world, the African countries. He's saying, come up and let's do this. It can be done. He is in Africa, he is in Zimbabwe, he is in Bulawayo, and he's doing all this. So can you. I'll also give you his details so that you can talk to him and he can mentor you into doing what he's doing.
This is the introduction, namanye ama-application, ama-front-end design, ama-comments, then lama-frameworks uyakuwasebenzisa mawubhida ama-tools lawa nje ama-languages engafundayo umsebenzi wonke enjani engiwenzayo.
Alright.
So ama-languages lawa ama-languages okubhida ama-applications, JavaScript, TypeScript, and stuff. This game is front end, but this game is working. This game yonke le game ile, so lapha is just good for user interface umuntu osebenza kanjani.
Stay tuned. I will do an in-depth interview with this young man about all the work that he's been doing online. He's making good money. He's earning a living out of this. And this is something within reach, because most of these things, he did it with internet that was slow, with the power cuts in Zimbabwe, when our internet is just dodgy. But now with fast internet, he's a game developer. He's been developing softwares. He's been doing a lot of websites, designs, and all that. There's a lot. And in the crypto world, he's also doing so well. So what I'm saying, guys, is once you have got your internet, your fast internet Starlink, just don't focus on doing social media, just watching and wasting your time on social media. Do things that are productive. Learn courses online that will help you to become better in your own life, to actually earn a living out of this. There's a lot that you can do. You can do online courses, you can do trading, like I said. But for now, I would encourage you to start with learning how to navigate the internet so that you get the best out of it. After which, you are unstoppable, guys.
So in other words, you have designed that arcade. It's yours.
Yes.
You own it.
This is where the world is going. So take advantage of it while it lasts. There are also other areas that you can also venture into. For example, forex trading. You can do cryptocurrency trading. There's a lot, guys. So I actually encourage the young generation out there to say, you know what, take advantage of this. There are so many opportunities. And it's
On that arcade, when you finish it, how do you sell it? How do you make it popular so that people can start using it?
They are already expecting it.
What channels?
Yeah.
It's not just the young generation, even the older generations. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I thought of sharing this because of the endless possibilities that are there with internet. If you are interested in me sharing more ideas on how you can work online in Zimbabwe, how you can do a lot of things using the internet in Zimbabwe to actually make money. Please let me know in the comment section, and then I can do more episodes show you step by step on how to actually earn a living using internet here in Zimbabwe.